We are going to create a certificate using MailMerge. In order to import the file, I have already listed the data in Excel. So now go to the MS Word and then go to the Mailings tab and then go to the Start MailMerge. Just switch to step-by-step MailMerge wizard. On the right side, you can see we have options and 6 steps to complete the MailMerge. So just go to the next, and since I'm going to use the current document, so use the current document. So just go to the next, and from here I'm going to import the files. So just go to the browse and I will import the files that I have written. So now just go to the OK. Now you can see I got all the data. Then click OK. So now just go to the step 4, write your letter. In this step, I will just import or insert the merge field. Just like this one. Go to the insert and just go for name. Now you can just click enter. And for the address, I will also insert from the merge field. And for the completion date, I'll just go for completion date. And the same goes for trainer. So now, since we have already inserted the merge field, just go to the next preview later. As you can see the data that has been imported from Excel file. Then now, just go to the step 6, which is complete the merge. Since we finished completing the merge, in order to see the data, just go to the next. As you can see, I have all the data that has been imported. Now, in order to edit the documents, just go to the edit individual letters. And then since I'm going to see all the documents, just go to the OK. As you can see, I have so many data that has been made. So this is how you create personalized document using MailMerge.